What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Driver Life 389. Before we get started on today's video, I just want to let you know that the links for the parts are down in the description. And also, I hope this video is helpful to somebody out there. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Today we're gonna switch out almost broke it. We're gonna switch out a window switch on a 2012 Cascadia. So you're gonna remove this panel here. You can stick a flathead through here and pry up. You can see I had already loosened this one. So you're gonna need a hex bit, or just double check what type of screws are on your door panels. You're gonna remove this one, this one, this one, and this one here. You're gonna have to pull out these from here and here. So once you remove the screws, this is gonna come off. You might need to remove these at the bottom to remove the whole door panel, but I found this particular truck here is easy to pull out the whole console here. So once you got the screws removed, you're gonna have to pull this back a bit. Just be careful not to break anything. I'm gonna pull on this tab here. So now, as you can see, we removed the console that holds the switches and the mirror control. On this one, on this particular one, this one's the one that went bad. So there's a tab here you got to pull down to disconnect it from the harness. So let me go ahead and disconnect it. You're gonna have to remove both switches to get clearance to get this one out, because the frame here that holds the switches, this piece is in the way. So you're gonna have to remove this one to get clearance to pull this one out. So remove this one as well. So just be careful not to break these little tabs. It's a little difficult to remove, but with like a flathead or like a pick, it'll be easier to remove the tabs. So now that I removed the passenger side, I can remove the driver's side. The passenger side is, if you get it from the dealer, it's a gray one, and the driver's side is a black one, because they have different slots, so you can't connect them in the same harness. If you notice, this one has a slot here on opposite ends. This one has the one here. So this is the driver's side one. So I just reinstalled the passenger. Now I'm going to reinstall the driver's side, and all you have to do is snap it in. So once you got the harness snapped in, ready to go back in the inside the door panel. And bolt everything up, and you're ready to go. All right, so we got everything bolted back on. You got to put the panel tabs in there. well, you get what I'm saying. So then let's give it a try. There you go, guys. Back to protecting you from the elements.